Well, if you're coming to Lake Placid, this is one place you got to stop at. Here's how you know you're not in New York City, you're not in California anymore. It's the honor system. People actually trust you. You don't have to go to a cash register. You come in and you grab your own upstate New York Adirondack maple right here at Black Maple. Then you can choose whatever you want. Maple quarts, maple pints, half pints. They got all sizes for the sugar lover near you, and of course maple cotton candy. You just can't go wrong. Now, I don't drink coffee, but a lot of my friends back home absolutely love this maple coffee. It's incredible. And all you do is write your credit card down, put it there, and they trust you. Welcome to the Adirondacks.
Straight out of Cajun Maple Wish.